Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can download and install Chrome on Windows 11. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Microsoft Edge. So you can open and here click on Chrome download and you simply need to click on Chrome and then you need to click on the first website. And once you are on the first website, you need to click on download Chrome. I already have Chrome in my laptop. I am only showing you the step. Then you need to click on download Chrome and then you need to click on accept and install. And here you can see that the Chrome is downloading, and once it is downloaded, it is going to be installed in my laptop. So I'm going to show you the all steps. It took few seconds to download into my laptop, and once it is downloaded in my laptop, I can easily, you can see that. So now go into the PC and click on downloads, and then you need to click on open, and it is connected to the internet and start downloading into my laptop. So by following these steps, you can easily download and install Chrome in your PC or laptop. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.